What is going on, everybody? Today we are unboxing the CIVIVI Bhaltair. Broken open. Typical CIVIVI goodies inside. Oh yeah. This is definitely a big knife for CIVIVI. Probably one of their biggest, at least they're definitely their biggest in a Tanto. Very cool. A nice tan. Pretty close to cold steels. Some versions a little bit different, but very nice. Typical CIVIVI build and design. Same pocket clips. Ooh yeah. Yeah, that's a hardy knife. That feels great in the hand. That blade, kind of a spear point or dagger Tanto. Very cool. Got a nice tip. And very thin too. They've kept this knife very thin. A lot of champering down, a lot of grinding down. So you got a nice fine tip there for precise stuff. Nice secondary Tanto tip. You also have your liner lock, typical CIVIVI liner lock, nice and stiff for the bigger knife. Oh, thumb stubs work great. Reverse flicking, middle finger flicking, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Smooth. Yeah, even with the thumb studs, it's actually very, very smooth, very nice. They stick up very good to get a hold of, and the action is really, really nice. Nice to see that CIVIVI couldn't convert that beautiful action that they have on their smaller knives into a bigger knife, because sometimes they don't translate very good, but this knife feels great in the hands. I like bigger knives, so this fits the bill for me, definitely. Very nice. So a 14C 28N blade. You can get it in black. There's a bunch of different versions of different color scales, and satin and black blade. So yeah, I'm impressed. Done a very good job translating their typical very small CIVIVI Elementum style knife into a full 9-inch knife, almost just under 4 inches of blade. So very cool. I look forward to carrying it. Alright, there you guys go. That is the CIVIVI Bhaltair. We will catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.